From Superman's incredible strength to Professor X's telepathic abilities, superheroes captivate us with their extraordinary powers. What if I told you that some of these seemingly fictional abilities exist in the real world? We're not talking about radioactive spiders or gamma rays here, but rare diseases that can bestow upon individuals abilities that seem ripped straight from the pages of a comic book. In this journey into the fascinating world of medical marvels, we'll explore 10 rare diseases that give people incredible and sometimes unbelievable abilities. Get ready to question everything you thought you knew about human potential, because these real-life superheroes are living proof that truth can be stranger and far more awe-inspiring than fiction. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on an exploration of the extraordinary hidden within the ordinary. Imagine possessing a memory so sharp that you could recall every detail of your life with perfect clarity. For individuals with hyperthymesia, this isn't a fantasy, it's a reality. This incredibly rare condition, also known as highly superior autobiographical memory, allows people to remember events from their past with incredible detail and accuracy. Think about it, every birthday, every conversation, every emotion etched into their minds like an unskippable film reel of their lives. While this might sound like a superpower at first, the ability to remember everything can be a double-edged sword. The constant influx of memories, both good and bad, can be overwhelming, even debilitating at times. Imagine carrying the weight of every triumph and every heartbreak, every joy and every regret, with you at all times. This constant reliving of the past can make it difficult for individuals with hyperthymesia to live fully in the present. Scientists believe that hyperthymesia may be linked to specific structures in the brain, particularly the hippocampus, which plays a crucial role in memory formation. Pain, while unpleasant, serves a vital purpose. It alerts us to danger, injury, and the need to protect ourselves. But for individuals with congenital insensitivity to pain, or CIP, this fundamental warning system is absent. From birth, they are unable to feel physical pain, making them seemingly invincible to life's everyday hurts. Imagine a world without the searing pain of a burn, the throbbing ache of a sprained ankle, or the sharp sting of a cut. While this might sound liberating, it comes with significant risks. Without the ability to feel pain, individuals with CIP may not realize when they've been injured, leading to infections, untreated wounds, and even life-threatening situations. CIP is caused by genetic mutations that affect the development of nerve fibers responsible for transmitting pain signals to the brain. Research into these mutations is crucial for understanding the biological mechanisms of pain perception and developing potential treatments for chronic pain conditions. Flexibility is generally considered a positive attribute, but what happens when it reaches extraordinary, even superhuman levels? Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, or EDS, is a group of rare inherited disorders that affect connective tissues, primarily the skin, joints, and blood vessel walls. People with EDS often have incredibly flexible joints, allowing them to contort their bodies into seemingly impossible positions. Picture a dancer who can bend over backwards so far that their head touches their heels, or a contortionist who can fit their entire body into a tiny box. While this hypermobility might appear advantageous, it comes with a price. Individuals with EDS are prone to joint dislocations, fragile skin that tears easily, and chronic pain. Their connective tissues, which provide support and structure to the body, are weaker than normal, making them more susceptible to injury. Despite the challenges, many people with EDS embrace their unique abilities and find joy in expressing themselves through dance, acrobatics, and other physical art forms. Their experiences challenge our perceptions of what's considered normal and remind us that beauty and strength can be found in unexpected places. Imagine possessing an extraordinary talent in music, art, or mathematics while facing challenges in other aspects of life. This is the reality for individuals with savant syndrome. Savant skills can range from calculating complex equations to creating breathtakingly realistic artwork. These individuals exhibit a profound connection to their field, immersing themselves with unwavering focus and passion. The exact cause remains a mystery, but it may involve atypical brain wiring. This unique profile allows savants to excel in specific domains while facing challenges in social interaction or daily living skills. Studying savant syndrome offers insights into the human brain and the potential for extraordinary abilities within us all. Strength is a coveted trait, often associated with power and athleticism. But what happens when muscle growth is amplified to extraordinary levels, creating individuals with seemingly superhuman strength? This is the case with myostatin-related muscle hypertrophy, an extremely rare genetic condition that results in significantly increased muscle mass and reduced body fat. Imagine a child effortlessly lifting weights that would challenge seasoned bodybuilders, or a teenager possessing the strength of a professional weightlifter. This remarkable condition is caused by mutations in the MSTN gene, which produces myostatin, a protein that normally inhibits muscle growth. In individuals with myostatin-related muscle hypertrophy, myostatin production is reduced or absent, leading to uninhibited muscle growth and development. While this might sound like a dream come true for fitness enthusiasts, it's essential to recognize that excessive muscle mass can have its downsides. Individuals with this condition may experience joint stiffness, decreased flexibility, and potential cardiovascular strain. Despite these challenges, their remarkable strength highlights the intricate relationship between genetics, muscle physiology, and human potential. Imagine experiencing a world bursting with a million more colors than the average person can perceive. This is the reality for individuals with tetrachromacy, an extremely rare genetic condition. Most humans have 3 types of cone cells in our eyes. Tetrachromats possess a 4th type, allowing them to see ultraviolet light. Imagine seeing a kaleidoscope of hues in a field of flowers or a sunset. For tetrachromats, the world is a constant visual feast. Not all tetrachromats are aware of their unique ability. Their brains may adapt, making it difficult to distinguish their perception. In a world where social interaction can be complex and challenging, imagine possessing an innate ability to connect with others effortlessly, radiating warmth, empathy, and a genuine love for humanity. This is the hallmark of Williams syndrome, a rare genetic disorder characterized by a unique combination of physical features, developmental delays, and an exceptionally outgoing and sociable personality. Individuals with Williams syndrome often exhibit an uncanny ability to read emotions, make friends easily, and approach strangers with an open heart and a disarming smile. They possess an infectious joie de vivre and a remarkable capacity for empathy, often demonstrating a deep understanding of others' feelings and perspectives. While Williams syndrome presents its share of challenges, including cardiovascular problems, learning disabilities, and anxiety, the unwavering friendliness and empathy displayed by individuals with this condition offer a refreshing counterpoint to the often cynical nature of the world. Their genuine desire for connection and their ability to find joy in simple pleasures remind us of the importance of human connection and the power of compassion in overcoming life's obstacles. Imagine a world where sounds evoke tastes, colors elicit smells, and numbers have personalities. This is the reality for individuals with synesthesia, a neurological phenomenon where one sense triggers another. For synesthetes, the world is a rich tapestry of unique perceptions. Some see the number 5 as green or taste lemon when hearing a high-pitched sound. This arises from increased crosstalk between brain regions, leading to heightened sensory awareness. Synesthesia is often seen as a gift, but it can also be overwhelming. Many embrace it as part of their creative process. It challenges our understanding of sensory processing. Temperature. It dictates our comfort, influences our choices, and can even pose a threat to our survival. Imagine a life without the sensation of hot or cold. This is the reality for individuals with congenital insensitivity to pain with anhidrosis, CIPA. They can't feel pain or temperature. This comes with significant risks. They are highly susceptible to burns, frostbite, and heat stroke. We've explored some incredible conditions that demonstrate the amazing adaptability and potential of the human body. But our journey into the extraordinary is far from over. From enhanced senses to unique cognitive abilities, there's a whole universe of rare diseases and conditions waiting to be discovered, each one offering valuable insights into the complexities of human biology and the boundless potential that lies within us all. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on our latest explorations into the wonders of science, medicine, and the human experience. And don't forget to let us know in the comments which of these real-life superpowers you found most fascinating. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop marveling at the extraordinary world around us. From the incredible memory of hyperthymesia to the boundless empathy of Williams syndrome, these rare diseases challenge our very definition of what it means to be human. They remind us that the line between ordinary and extraordinary is often blurred, and that within each of us lies the potential for remarkable abilities. While we may not all possess superhuman strength or the ability to see millions of colors, these real-life superheroes remind us that true strength lies in embracing our individuality, celebrating our differences, and pushing the boundaries of human potential. Perhaps the greatest superpower of all is the power of scientific inquiry, constantly seeking to understand, learn from, and ultimately find ways to improve the human condition. So the next time you find yourself captivated by the adventures of your favorite superhero, remember that reality can be just as extraordinary as fiction. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and within each of us lies the potential to achieve the seemingly impossible.